everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the dots pattern on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So basically it's like a dot in the center. So what you have to do is you have to make the top layer clockwise, the bottom layer anti-clockwise, so like that, then the right layer up, then the left layer up, the front layer clockwise, and then the back layer anti-clockwise, so the anti-clockwise like that. Okay, next the top layer clockwise and the bottom layer anti-clockwise, and there you go, you have the dots pattern on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button, and goodbye, see you in my next video.